I know all of you are tired from dancing for a very long time, but every record takes time, it takes a lot of hard work and it needs patience. No record is easy. At Bharat Arts Academy, you were trying to break your own record, which not a lot of people do. So, big round of applause for you to try something so big. And coming to the official part, as you all know, the first one had some glitches. It was not proper, it was not perfect. But all of you put in your best for the second attempt, and that was successful, and all of you have broken the Guinness World Record for the largest Kuchipudi dance festival. Congratulations to all of you. Very well done. And as you get Guinness World Records, they are officially amazing.
Guinness World Record 2025 సాధించాము. ఒకసారి అందరూ గట్టిగా చప్పట్లు. Please put your hands together for Bharat Arts Academy once again breaking our own record. Once more.
Let's get the official certificate on stage now.
Guinness Book of World Record representative Mr. Swapnil is handing over the official record, a citation, the largest Kuchipudi dance item in the మన భారత అకాడమీ మీ అందరికీ ఉద్దేశించిన సర్టిఫికేట్ మంత్రి గారు డాక్టర్ వాకిటి శ్రీహరి గారి నుంచి లలిత గారికి అందజేస్తున్నారు. మంత్రి గారి చేతుల్లో గట్టిగా ఉండాలి.
ఒకసారి అందరూ గట్టిగా చప్పట్లు. సక్సెస్ఫుల్. Once more. అక్కడ ఇంకా వాళ్ళు.
సూపర్ మా పిల్లలు.
Congratulations.